ये तो आप लोग पहले से ही जानते हैं कि डिलीवरी किसकी हुई है और अनबॉक्सिंग किसकी होने वाली है, बट अनबॉक्सिंग बिना ड्रामेबाजी के करने का मज़ा ही कहाँ है। ये है वो बॉक्स जिसकी करने वाले हम अनबॉक्सिंग, और ये है वो नाइफ जिससे करेंगे हम इसकी अनबॉक्सिंग। आप, मैं और मेरे 2 शैतान बच्चे मिलकर। So this is the kit for curious. I have 2 curious girls. Both are here. So let's begin the unboxing of this box. So let's see what is inside this, because Hiral is very much excited.
Because this is my toothfairy gift. It came from my tooth.
Yeah.
And we are so excited. I'm so excited because I don't really know what it is.
Hey, 3, 2, 1, open! Oh, certificate? अभी तो कुछ किया नहीं हो, सर्टिफिकेट भी मिल रहा है. There is one booklet inside this box. क्या बात कर रहे हो? गाइस, इसके अंदर लिखा है अगर आपको बच्चे को इंजीनियर बनाना है तो you don't need to send kids to the college. Just purchase this box. Let's start by section what is inside this box. So let's start with this section. What is inside this? So at the top there are colorful propellers, one 3B propeller and 4B propeller. And see, the fan quality is okay. And the next is this packet which is full of items. Let me see what is inside this. This is the big pulley, and this would work as a belt of this pulley, and there are many switches, and there is one small switch. This is push to on switch. We also have the alligator pin, 2 black alligator pin and 2 red alligator pin, and there is one more directional switch. This is a crocodile pin.
Like with this we could use to hold little harmful stuff that can give us shock.
In this packet we have a couple of copper plates and the zinc plates. Okay, so the next thing is this packet. It contained resistors, some resistors, 1 transistor, and we do have a battery connector with this. Yes, this is a battery connector. Let me keep this aside. Let's go to the other section. What is here? We have 2 motors. These are the simple motors, and there is 1 vibrator. We have 1 vibrator, and we have 1 double shaft motor. Okay, so almost 2 normal motors, 1 double shaft motor and 1 vibrator. So let me keep this aside. 3B propeller. Okay, these 2 are 3B propellers.
We can make this air in a computer, like.
No, we can make a windmill out of this.
Oh yeah.
So we have couple of wires, one black wire, red wire, and there is a copper wire, and
finally,
beta, this is called 2-core wire because there are 2 cores in this. In this we have a single core. Can you see? Only a single core in these 2, and it has a double core. Okay, and this is called copper wire. We have some flashing LEDs and the multicolor LEDs. As you can see, these would be the flashing LEDs and these are the multicolor LEDs. And Hiral, these are the LEDs. If you can see, the one terminal is shorter than the other one. The shorter terminal is the negative one, and the longer one is the positive one. The next thing is buzzer. As you can see, we have 6-volt buzzer in this. Okay, we have a couple of batteries here. Let me open this. I think we have a 9-volt battery.
Oh, can I see?
We have a 9-volt battery.
Wow,
Okay. And we have a AA battery set. There are 4 batteries, and we have
I think
a battery holder. Okay, so there are many nut and bolts in this packet, and we have 1 screwdriver, and finally we have magnets. Connect positive, and here the other negative. Okay, now what we can do, we can take 1 switch out of it. So we can take 1 switch out of it. Okay, listen, the switch is off. If I will on, it will run. Hiral, you have to make fan. Take out one.
Okay.
Okay, let me open that.
This is one.
Okay. Take out which color you
Red
want?
one.
Red one. Okay. 2B propeller. Okay, because it has 2 wings. Okay. Now you can fix this here.
Okay.
Here. Very good. Try it.
Yeah.
Show me.
Inserted.
Inserted. Okay.
Okay.
Now what we will do?
I know what to do, Papa.
Air is coming.
Not really.
So guys, this was the overall package. So अगर आपको पसंद आ रहा है, you should also go for this. I think this is a good thing. बच्चे सीख सकते हैं ये सब चीज़ें खेल में. And I think you should go for this. And it cost me around 700 rupees on Amazon. आप चेक कर लीजिए Amazon और Flipkart पे है नहीं, मुझे पता
You
नहीं है.
mean you are the tooth fairy?
I'm just telling them, बेटा. I need to tell them ना. They don't believe on Tooth Fairy. इसके अंदर और भी 2-3 ऑप्शंस थे. 700 रुपीज़ से लेके I think 2000 रुपीज़ तक के थे. तो मैंने ये वाला मंगाया. अगर हिरल को पसंद आएगा, then we can go for the other one. But overall package is good. So go for it. और वीडियो पसंद आया है तो लाइक कर लो, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फटाफट सब्सक्राइब करो. ढेर सारी वीडियोस ऐसी ही आएगी. राइट हिरल?
Yeah.
राइट. बाय.
I really love this man.